Hi, welcome to my channel Look 10 Years Younger, where I review various healthy aging supplements, devices and treatments to let you know what works and what doesn't. So you've probably heard a lot about fasting or intermittent fasting and how beneficial it is to us. However, if you like me and you love your food and you're a little bit lazy, then you've probably wondered, why there isn't a pill you can take where you can get the same results without actually doing the fasting. Well, guess what? Now there is. And by the end of today's video, you're going to understand what it is, how it works, and where you can get it from. So spermidine, and it gets its name because it was originally discovered in sperm, is a naturally occurring molecule. It's found in lots of different types of food like soya beans and aged cheese, but also the cells of our body can manufacture it themselves. However, when we reach the age of 30, that tends to decrease. So it's a good idea to supplement or eat a diet rich in foods which contain it. Last year I did keto for 5 months, so the aim is to burn fat, but you can boost the results of keto by missing a meal, by doing essentially a fast. So one of the other things it does, apart from burning fat, is to kickstart a process called autophagy. The human body is able to break down and recycle unnecessary or damaged cell components. It's a renewal process. So when you stop eating, your cells can't get energy from glucose or fat, so they look within themselves for anything they can burn for fuel. And this can be remnants of viruses, bacteria, it can be toxic proteins or any waste materials which are floating around. So here are 4 of the benefits you get from supplementation of spermidine and autophagy. So as our cells are starving, the older and inactive or damaged cells will start to kill themselves off. Now this is a good thing because it means that the stem cells in our bone marrow will replace them with new, young, fresh cells. So it's really like a recycling process on a cellular level. It keeps our cells young and fresh. Old, dead and damaged cells and the toxic proteins within them are swept away. If you don't sweep them away, they can hang around and cause age-related diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's and dementia. So taking spermidine is really like a preventative measure. It's a good thing to do as we get older. Another thing spermidine does is to increase formation of memory cells. When one of our cells eats up one of these remnants of viruses which has been sitting around, it recognizes it, and that means our immune system becomes strengthened and improved. So there was a study in 2018 which I'm going to link on chemotherapy patients who had weakened immunity, and it found by doing intermittent fasting, they were able to restore their immunity and make it much stronger. So this is super interesting stuff. Other studies have shown that higher levels of spermidine in our bodies can lead to a longer life. So the places in the world where there's the highest concentration of individuals who've reached 100 years of age, which includes Costa Rica, Sardinia and Japan, showed that they're eating a mostly plant-based diets. So they're eating wheat, cauliflower, chickpeas, soya beans, all these things which contain high levels of spermidine, and the theory is that this could be a contributing factor to their longevity. So spermidine will mimic the effects of fasting, which is amazing. So it's perfect for lazy people like me who don't actually want to do the fasting but want the results. So as I said, you can find spermidine naturally in certain foods like mushrooms and chickpeas, but if you don't eat a very healthy diet, or if you're over 30, which means that your natural levels are decreasing, then it probably is a good idea to take a supplement, in my view. So one of the questions you always ask me when I talk about supplements is it safe? So for that reason, I'm going to link a study below which shows that yes, spermidine is a safe supplement to take. So there are many spermidine supplements on the market, and it's difficult to know which one you can trust. A lot of these on eBay and Amazon, you don't really know what you're getting. So for that reason, I always stick with do not age. So I like them because they have independent third-party lab testing. They guarantee the quality of their products, plus they ship worldwide. I also like the fact that on their website they back up all their products with studies, so it's quite interesting if you wanted to check that out. You can buy 60 capsules for £50 or $69, or 366 capsules for £275, which is 375 US dollars. You take 2 capsules after food once a day. And for full transparency, I just want to point out that Do Not Age did send me 1 jar of this supplement for free. I didn't pay for it. I'm going to make an update video in 6 months. I'm super excited to see if anything changes, and I will definitely update you with that. When I make these videos about supplements, I'm aware that I don't get the same ratings as with other videos, but for me it's a labour of love. I find this super fascinating and interesting, and I really want to share this, what I consider really important, interesting information with you guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know. If you're taking Spermadine already, please comment below. Don't hesitate to let me know how it's going for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.